To calculate average speed, you look at it here. This is a linear motion, linear direction traveling. You are driving a car from town A to town D, all right, in a straight one direction move from A to D, all right. So the distance of town A to B is 100 kilometer, B to C is 5 kilometer, and C to D is 80 kilometers. So as you're driving from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. non-stop, you're driving town A to B 100 kilometer from 2 p.m. to 3:20 p.m. Then you're driving continuously from town B to town C from 3:20 to 3:40 p.m. Then you continue your journey non-stop from town C to town D, the next another 1 hour and 20 minutes from 3:40 p.m. to 5 p.m. So finally you stopped at town D. Now the question is very simple. What is the average speed from town A to town D? As you drive from A to D, what should be the average speed? The formula for average speed is total distance over total time. The journey from A to D shows that it's 100 kilometer plus 5 kilometer plus 80 kilometer, a total of 185 kilometer. 185 kilometer, you change to meter, 185,000 meter. The total time is 3 hours because you started at 2 p.m., you ended at 5 p.m. So 3 hours of journey. So 3 hours, you change to seconds. 3 times 60 minutes times 60, you get seconds. So you get 17.13 meter per second. So average speed is total distance per total time. Right? This is how you solve the question. So when you're calculating average speed, always take total distance per total time. Okay, to find the average speed, if you are driving from the town called Rawang to the next town called Serenda, and then you continue to the town called KKB, Kuala Kubu Baru. So let's say you are driving from Rawang to, right? You're driving from Rawang to Serenda, right? And the distance is 40 kilometer. And you left Rawang at 1 p.m., you reached Serenda at 1:40 p.m. So you drove for 40 minutes. You were resting. You stop your journey for a while at Serenda. So you're resting from 1:40 p.m. to 2 p.m. Then from 2 p.m., you started your journey again. You drove another 40 kilometers to KKB. It took about 60 minutes now to reach KKB because you reached KKB only at 3 p.m. Right? So what should be the average speed? The formula for average speed is always total distance over total time. Total distance is 80 kilometers, which is 8,000 meters. Total time on the road was 40 minutes and plus another 60 minutes. It's only 100 minutes. The resting time is not counted. We can't count resting time when we take average speed. So 40 minutes plus 60 minutes, 100 minutes, change to seconds. So your final answer is 13.33 meter per second. All right. So this is how we calculate average speed. What we calculated? We calculated average